Welcome to Part 8 State Management in JavaScript and ASP .NET. In this video, we will learn how to manage data effectively in your front end and keep it in sync with your ASP .NET backend. Modern web apps deal with dynamic data that changes constantly. Managing this state properly ensures your UI stays consistent and your users have a smooth experience. Local storage and session storage let you store data on the client side. Local storage keeps data even after the browser is closed, while session storage only lasts for the current session. Here is a simple example of storing a username in local storage and retrieving it later. This is great for saving user preferences or session info. For larger apps, Redux helps manage state predictably. It uses a single central store and updates state through actions and reduces, making your app easier to maintain. Redux follows a clear flow. You dispatch an action, the reducer updates the store, and the UI automatically reflects the changes. This ensures consistency across your app. State management is especially powerful when interacting with the ASP.NET Core APIs. Fetch data, store it in Redux or local storage, and your UI updates automatically whenever the data changes. To summarize, use local storage or session storage for small data, Redux for larger apps, and always ensure your front-end state is in sync with your ASP.NET backend for reliable applications.